Call of Duty ain't got shit on this. What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here with Ghost Tactical to do a quick review and introduction to the newest part of our arsenal here at Ghost Tactical. This is the GSG 522. Now, if you're like me and love MP5s but can't afford to get them because you're broke as hell, this is a great alternative. It's chambered in 22 LR, which means you can have a great deal of fun with it for very little money. More importantly, it is just like an MP5 that I love. The MP5, as you guys probably know if you've been watching the channel for any time at all, is one of my favorite guns and weapon systems of all time. And once again, I'm broke as hell, so I can't afford a real one, or even the HK SP5, which is the semi-automatic version of it. But I can't afford one of these. I got this for a little over 300 bucks, but it also included the conversion kit. So before we get shooting and all that, let's kind of take a look at some of the specs.
Some of the specs are that it is chambered once again in 22 long rifle. The magazine that comes with it is a 22 capacity magazine. The barrel length is 16.3 inches with the overall length at just over 33 inches and the unloaded weight of 7 pounds. And it also has a suppressor style barrel shroud. Now, all this is basically a faux suppressor, but it makes it look bad as hell. So once again, what we got is we got the 522, but we also got the conversion kit, which was a 16-piece conversion kit that kind of takes it back to the MP5 style. We also got the folding stock, which I love, that it just kind of makes it a little bit more traditional MP5.
Well, enough of the specs. Let's have some damn fun shooting the hell out of this thing. What do you say? Call of Duty ain't got shit on this. Let's get some more in. Oh baby, we're gonna have a great time with this one. All right guys, so I love this thing. I absolutely love it. I've just started kind of getting into the 22 LR game, and if you're out there and you're looking for some great guns for 22 LR, this is definitely one of them. I love it with the folding stock. It's very, very similar to the MP5, and I love the MP5 like I said before, but I think this one is going to be a great addition, probably even for a truck gun that I can put in there with the folding stock. It can stash away pretty easily inside a truck. Let it go. It is a 16-inch barrel. These things are fun as hell to shoot. You can do IDPA with these things. You could do USPSA in the PCC division, Steel Challenge, all that good stuff. This is a fun as hell gun to shoot. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to do more videos on it. But I really do. I love this, and I love the looks of it. This is a barrel shroud. It is not a suppressor, but it does come with this to look like a suppressor. But it's a shroud. It is what it is, but it just looks bad as hell. And if you're a fan of the MP5 like I am, well, hell, it doesn't get much better than this. So guys, go check this out. Go check out a lot of other 22 LR stuff out there. They got some great replicas and clones of some great weapons out there that you can go shoot for nothing. You could spend the whole day shooting this thing for almost nothing out of your pocket. So once again guys, get out there to the range, enjoy your freedoms, enjoy being outdoors with your family and friends, and get some lead down range. Till next time, Semper Fidelis.